Sanibona bafethu uVanele. So namhlanje ngizokhuluma abadlali abawu-2 be-Orlando Pirates okubani na uRelebohile Mofokeng with u-Oswin Apolis. You know these players bafethu, these are the best players abakhona ku-Orlando Pirates so far abajida badlale kakhulu with i-Orlando Pirates last season. Abajida kungenzeka oyedwa wabo athole i-Betway Premiership Player of the Season or even PSL Player of the Season. Singesazi-ke between the two suke ubani ozothola leyo award leyo, but-ke ngizoqala nje ngoMofokeng, yabo. Ngizoza ngayo Ozuna Police, but-ke ngizoqala nje ngey'ndaba ebey'hamba phambili regarding uRelebohile Mofokeng. Bafethu, angazi noma mhlambe-ke uma uhlala ngaphansi kwetshe or if you are living under the rock, you haven't seen these news, but-ke I'm here to break the news to you. If ungazazi lezo y'ndaba, there are rumors regarding uRelebohile Mofokeng leaving Orlando Pirates kulona leli windi bafethu elivuliwe umjida. There is a big club emfunayo le eBelgium. Le club-ke bafethu iyaziwa ngokuwina ama-league vele le eBelgium, yabo. Babangisana nje nama-club anjengo-Club Brugge kanje. So uRelebohile Mofokeng bafethu ufunwa i-former club eyayidlalelwa uPercy Tau. If you remember, Percy Tau left South Africa waya khona le eBelgium eyidlalela le club le igama layo yini na i-Union Saint Gilloise. Yabo, angikwazi ukulipronounce igama lakhona. You can tell me in the comments ukuthi ke lipronounce kanjani. I'm not a big fan of pronouncing words, yabo. Ngilibiza nje igama njengoba ngilibona, yabo. Maybe-ke it's something that I should work on, yabo, as a content creator who likes to, yabo, do ibhola. But-ke umjida bafethu kuthiwa kungenzeka asayinwe ile club. Not ukuthi kungenzeka, there is an agreement between Orlando Pirates and yona le club le bafethu ukuthi-ke asayinwe umjida. But-ke into-ke abantu abaningi engibezwe beyikhuluma and engibezwe beyisho ukuthi-ke kungenzeka ukuthi-ke ukusayinwa koMofokeng kuzovulela abanye abadlali abadlala khona le eBelgium icapha. Remember-ke there are many players vele abakhona kulela side leleya. Remember, there is a player obizwa ngoShandra Campbell who is playing, yabo, who is playing with-Club Brugge, but-ke he's playing on the youth ranks of i-Club Brugge. Naye umjida-ke kungenzeka apromote next season adlalele i-first team yayo i-Club Brugge, yabo. Ukudlala kwaMofokeng kuleya side of i-continent ngadala ukuthi-ke naye ubani na uShandra Campbell abizwe in the next Bafana Bafana camp ezoba khona, because remember we have to prepare for i-AFCON. The AFCON qualifiers azodlalwa njengekudala. So uma-ke sekulandwa abadlali, maybe players like aboShandra Campbell bazolithola nabo ithuba lokuthi-ke babizwe bazorepresent iBafana Bafana mase kubuya. So mina ngokwami, I wouldn't say I'm happy with this move, but I'm happy with the boy is leaving South Africa and he's going to play in Europe. Yabo, I'm not saying it is a small team, because the reason why I'm not saying it's a small team, because Percy Tau was one of the best youngsters. Yabo, he was one of the best youngsters adlalela South Africa. Wasuka umjida wale Europe, wathola ithuba naye kule club, wasesuka kule club wayojoina iClub Brugge. Wasesuka kwiClub Brugge wale wahamba waye kwiBrighton kwiPremier League, yabo. Do you know how big that is? That is big, yabo. So it might be a stepping stone for uRelebohile Mofokeng. Umjida usamncane, usana 21 years old, yabo. Usengadlala nje ama-games amaningi, usengadlala nje for ama-team amaningi le Europe, yabo. So big ups to Mofokeng bafethu. I hope lento-ke uzoyithatha serious. I hope le move le ubaba wakhe and abazali bakhe bazoyithatha serious, because uyodlala e-Europe bafethu uyayidinga i-support, yabo. Uyayidinga i-support umjida. I hope uzothola i-support e-grand, because there are many players who go overseas izinto zingabahambeli kahle, but-ke let's hope umjida uzofika adlale kahle phesheya, yabo. Many people were asking me about this. Nazi-ke iy'ndaba bafethu, there are many journalists aqhamuka le khona eBelgium who are verifying these news. So ngithe awuthi-ke ngishaye ividiyo nami, because abantu kade ngibezwa bekhuluma belithi hayi uyahamba uMofokeng, but I needed a clarification. I needed a clear and verified source, yabo. Ngase ngiya lapha-ke ngabona ukuthi hayi abantu ababhala la abantu vele bale eBelgium, abantu abaserious abazaziyo iy'ndaba. Njengoba nje ngizokhuluma le y'ndaba-ke ey'landelayo ezikabani na, ezika-Oswin Apolis. Oswin Apolis bafethu is another player Orlando Pirates who have been playing very good for Orlando Pirates. Kuthiwa-ke eka-Oswin Apolis iyaxaka kakhulu ya-Oswin Apolis, and ngifuna ukuyifakela iy'buko leya Oswin Apolis. Kuthiwa umjida he is wanted by iclub yasePortugal. Ngiyazi-ke le club bafethu ibizwa ngePorto. iPorto-ke ijwayele ukudlala nje kwi-Champions League each and every season. Uhlala uyithola kwi-Champions League. Le team le i-serious ngempela. Kuthiwa-ke imbonile ubani nawo Oswin Apolis playing for Orlando Pirates the whole season. Remember, Oswin Apolis had a very good season with Orlando Pirates, winning the league, winning the cup competitions with the team. So, team imbonile and they are approaching ukuthi-ke bamsayine as their new winger. But-ke ngingengazi ukuthi-ke noma iPorto izozama ukubheka off yini regarding nama-results ebawabonile kuyena umdlali ngosikhathi edlala kuyona i-World Cup. But-ke they are very, very interested in signing the winger. So Orlando Pirates might potentially lose their two best players in the same window. Yabo, they might lose their two best players. And that raises big questions ukuthi Orlando Pirates ingabe izo-challenger ngempela yini for i-Champions League next season if they are losing their biggest stars kanje. Losing their biggest stars in the same window. Yes, it's a good thing for the South African football because we are exporting more talent in the big leagues. But for the South African league, we are yabo silokhu sikhipha iy'tar. Maybe-ke Orlando Pirates phela iyakwazi uku-create iy'tar. Each and every star Orlando Pirates esidedelayo, they create another star. There are many players who are going to be signed by Orlando Pirates ekuhambeni kwakhe uMfokeng naye uSuna Police. We've signed many players already. Yabo, Bohlale Ngwato is another player, Umjida. He's very exciting young player. Siyanda Ndlovu, Umjida uzo-announce njengekudala. He's a very, very good player. Maybe nawe uzofuna-ke ukuzakhela udumo kuyona Orlando Pirates if labajida laba behamba beyojoyina lama club la ase-Europe. Yabo, so mina ngokwami angikhali kakhulu, but let's hope the players abajida bazo-understand ukuthi-ke njengoba bezoya phesheya akumele bawudlala, kumele bawudlala because playing e-Europe it's not for everyone. So playing for Europe kumele wazi ukuthi-ke prepared yini, mentally are you prepared? Right, yabo. But-ke bafethu ya ningangitshela nina kuma-comments, how do you feel regarding lama move lawa? Do you think lama move lawa kumele bahambe ngempela? Mina ngokwami I think Ozuna Police is a very, very good choice ukuthi-ke ayojoyina iPorto. Yabo, I couldn't think for any other club Umjida angayijoyina ekhona vele phesheya. Akhona ama-clubs vele maningi, but iPorto, you have to think about it. iPorto bese yadlala uBenny McCarthy, he played kuyona iPorto. So they know vele ukuthi iSouth Africa inalo italent. They've scouted South Africa vele before. So mina ngikhali kakhulu. So regarding these players, I think abajida they know what to do. And yeah, now Ozuna Police, he's a very, very good player. It's just a pity ukuthi-ke kuyona iFIFA World Cup Umjida simbonanga as that player. Yabo. But I just hope Umjida mela lapha uzofika ashine aqhubeke, same yena uMfokeng uzofika aqhubeke uMfokeng. I really, really trust ukuthi-ke abajida bazowenza kahle. Same as uMbokazi, ngizwile kuthiwa uMbokazi-ke there are many teams amfunayo, but-ke singesazi ukuthi-ke ingabe nawe uzohamba yini lapha kwi-Chicago Fire FC. Simbonile nawe Robert Lewandowski uzoba i-teammate yakhe entsha. I'm really, really happy regarding the news. You can tell me in your comments, how do you feel regarding these news? Do you think uyahamba uOsuna Police? I know regarding yena uMfokeng. But do you think Ozuna Police naye uzohamba uJohnny Porto? Singesazi. If behamba-ke obani sizoba-replace ngabo? Mina I have few players in mind. I have Langelihle Phili, but-ke his father ey'ndabeni ushilo ukuthi-ke akafuni uMjida adlale la eSouth Africa, umbona nje eyodlala phesheya. I have uLangelihle Phili, imali iyakhuluma, yabo, noma ungakhuluma kanjani ubaba wakhe, imali masila etafuleni ngeke ungayijoyini Orlando Pirates. You know Orlando Pirates, they have tendency ukuthi-ke basayine nomba, yabo. Langelihle Phili and Emil Witsboy, yabo, those are the names in the top of my mind. Vele Emil Witsboy is on the list of candidates abangenzeka bamreplace uRelebohile Mofokeng. So Langelihle Phili naye uWitsboy, there is this player odlalela ini na odlalela ATS Galaxy, that young player ofuna uKaizer Chiefs uba Putaphamani Mahlambi, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, that young boy ufuna uKaizer Chiefs, but-ke Orlando Pirates, if they are serious about competing with the Premiership, I think they should go for that player. He's a very, very young, exciting player ongakwazi-ke afika ashine under uAbdeslam Wadu, yabo.